I'm Howayek from FoxEMS. I'm a VP of Business Development, and at FoxEMS, we are a contract manufacturer. So we help companies manufacture their electronic products, electronic boards, and we can assist them in the design phase of their electronic product. Semiconductors everywhere. So sometimes we take things for granted. We know that they function in a certain way, whereas we do not understand why this is happening. This is basically a lot of these products have electronic boards and semiconductors on these electronic boards to allow them to work in such manner. So in the future, everything will start integrating electronic boards, like from clothing, from mirrors, from everything around us, they're gonna have electronic boards. So we're gonna be living in one world intertangled with these products. So I know that this is the first time that McKinsey does such an event, and honestly, they did a really great job organizing it, from the workflow, from the simple details, from how things are, from how people walk there to talk to each other, the event, the speeches, so everything was done in a perfect way. And for sure, from our side, it was really beneficial. We got to see some leads who haven't decided to work with us up until they came to the event. They saw what we do. We discussed with them how we can assist them in the production, had face-to-face meetings, saw their physical product and gave them an added value to their company, and eventually we're gonna be able to close more deals out of it. At the same side, from the supplier point of view, we managed to talk directly to the suppliers that have electronic boards on the products that we manufacture, so it was beneficial from both sides.